While they are playing, Bean had stopped and said that he's hungry. He went inside the house and went inside of the house.
Maganda naman. Ano naman nga, kaso hindi ko lang napali. Kami nga yun, diba?
He opened the refrigerator and took out one vegetable. He went out of the house again. We have nothing to eat but vegetables. Then they are asleep. While they are asleep, there was a baby. And the baby suddenly said, "Oh, sir, they didn't eat vegetables. What shall I do?" On the three fat boys are very deep asleep. Suddenly, they had dreamed about a magic man. The fairy brought them to learn how to eat vegetables. The fairy said, "Vegetables, vegetables, where are you?" And they started to introduce themselves and then what the fears going to get from them. Carol, I am strong in saturated fat and cholesterol rich in vitamin E, high in dietary fiber and vitamin C. Cabbage, I am loaded with vitamin A, B1, B2, B6, C, E, A, and folic acid. Detoxify and eliminate harmful toxins and hormones and stimulate production to fight cancer. Squash. I am rich in vitamin E, potassium, manganese, and I'm very low in saturated fat, cholesterol, and sodium. Mango. I am excellent source of vitamin A and flavonoids like beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, and beta-nitrosamine. Apple. I'm low in saturated fat, cholesterol, and sodium. Banana. I am good at vitamin C, protein, and a very good source of vitamin B6. Ampalaya. I am packed with lots of vitamins and minerals, especially important in providing various health benefits. Excellent sources of vitamin B, B2, B3, and C, magnesium, folic acid, zinc, phosphorus, etc. Good information of good bacteria that helps in biosynthesis of vitamin B. thiamine, vitamin B6, folate, potassium, and manganese, and a good source of dietary fiber. Mango, I am a good source of vitamin D and a good source of minerals that can prevent cancer and heart diseases. Parents, make a habit of serving vegetables and fruits every day.